Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Ladoos are special sweets that can be enjoyed during any time of the day and any season. There are many varieties in ladoos, but I personally like the easy to make ones a lot. So today I want to share one such recipe with all of you. These easy to make ladoos are coconut rava ladoos and I can't wait to share it with you. It's really yummy. Let's get started and check it out. For the coconut rava laddu, I'm first roasting the cashew nuts and the raisins in a little bit of ghee. Take a tempering pan, add 2 teaspoons of ghee and heat it. Now add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cashew nuts and roast until they are golden brown in color. At this point, add 2 teaspoons of raisins and saute. Maintain the flame on low to avoid burning these ingredients. Once the raisins plump up nicely, turn off the stove and transfer them to a bowl. Keep it aside. Now take a wide pan and add about 2 teaspoons of ghee. For this recipe, I have taken 2 cups of semolina or Bombay rava. This is a standard 250 ml cup. Roast the rava until it is golden brown in color. After the rava is golden brown in color, turn off the flame and transfer the roasted rava to a bowl. Keep this aside. Same pan, add 2 teaspoons of ghee and 2 cups of freshly grated coconut. Roast the coconut on medium flame until it is golden brown in color. You have to make sure there's no moisture left in the coconut. As you can see, the coconut has turned to a light golden brown color. At this point, transfer the roasted rava to the pan and mix well. Keep the flame on low and mix these 2 ingredients well. Once they are no more raw, add 3/4 cup of sugar to the pan. Don't add it all at once, instead do it in installments. Now mix this all well and add the remaining sugar. This way the sugar will blend in easily. After about 2 to 3 minutes, add 1 cup of boiled and cooled milk to the pan in intervals. Maintain the flame on low and gradually mix it all after every addition of milk. Now add 2 teaspoons of ghee, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and roasted cashew nuts and raisins. As you can see, the sugar is fully melted and I'm able to hold the shape of this mixture. This is soft and nice. I'm applying some ghee on my palms to make sure the laddu mixture doesn't stick. So while it is still hot, make the laddus so that they will hold the shape nicely. There you go, our delicious coconut laddus are ready to be served. We'll give you a couple of links to the other laddu recipes. Do check them out. These ladoos are not only great for regular snacks, but they're also perfect for any festive season. Make sure you consume them within 2 to 3 days from making. They are very yummy and very simple to make. So share it with your family and friends and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.